more.
Subscribe,
Comment,
Like,
share,
hit,
there,
bell,
shop,
boss,
TV.
pro.
Duction.
Yes, people. Yes, shop boss people. Yeah, people. From the other day, people want to see me out from the other day, people, and things. It's massive about 1 week and thing, but I don't know. Yeah, man, shop boss TV production people. I'm back again, people. Yeah, man, people. From the other day, I see a video circulate from, you know, all the right through the media and thing, people. It's massive. Yeah, man. People, yo, this not look good. This not look good with them police, yeah, the people. This not look good, people. Honest. Yeah, man, I tell them, this not look good. This come, you know, people, the part-time, you know, if you don't know about the part-time people. It's not the police, you see them black police, them beat the black people, them murder the black people and people. It's not saying, right? And now, look on our Jamaican police, how they treat this lady, elderly lady. You understand what I'm saying? Right? Elderly lady, you know. I never wonder if some of these police have a mother, or them have sister, or auntie people. And I want next thing if I wonder people if none of them police if them born from a woman. You understand what I say? Where them treat the people, you miss me I say? The woman, they miss me I say people? Yeah, man. Look on them, just check them out people, how them boy are move, how them police are move, say my police. You understand what I say? Right? Plus some of them are mass up people. Mass up. You can't even see them face. You see me? Right? This not right. This don't right. People don't say Yute are creepy in Jamaica. Eh? Yute vibes are creepy in Jamaica, people. Yeah, man. Look how the police are. Look. And now this youth are come defending mother. This man come defending mother, you know. This man say, I'm going to take myself a bone for the yard. You see it? And it's something quick for jar them gun for shoot the youth. It's something quick for jar them gun and shoot the youth. Suppose all of the eagle them and thing and people, eagle them as people that sell food or clothes and anything, they say, alright, here, the food people, most of the food people, the people that sell food in the Coronation Market or in a Sponge Town, this are going on right now. So they must stop sell food. Enough of them police get food for eat. Only get one dozen banana for buy. You see me say, a pound of yam and all these things. I want to get that. When you can't get that, and the people will feed the country. You see me say, right? I want to see one. You see me? Judge, know. Someone want to know, you know. Or someone granny used to do, on the mother used to do, send them to school, you know. Yeah, man. Because most of these people that sell food and things, they send them picnic to school, you know. It's my friend feed them picnic themselves, you know, clothes them picnic and them things, you know. What I want people to do. If everybody stop selling things and all these people stop selling things and pull on selling and skip back and set so. No more crime you're having in Jamaica. And more crime you're having in Jamaica, you know. Virgin. Go out there, man. No go out there, man, and put on a face on man. We're willing to face them out there, man. You see what I say? Right? Go out there, man. Yeah, man. Poor people think, judge and know. Virgin, we not treat poor people bad. I don't find the police on the poor. I not treat people, hey, Jano Star. Yo, people who need to wise up in this country. We need to wise up. We need to wise up, people. That's how I'm telling you. We need to open an eye and wise up. Yeah, man, telling you, wise up. Alright? Cool. People, take a look on the video.
Jamaica. You see Jamaica? Remember say me done when telling you say Jamaica go come like 81 at a time, you know. You see the municipal police them want to know this. Remember this now, you know, youth. Out of every 15 or 20 municipal police, one of them have gone. See? When you are asleep, municipal or municipal, any one of them, when you are asleep, you're gonna sleep. You have to know that. When you are asleep, a gun, a piece of iron, a thick rubber, what the running board of iron, what the bullet them are iron, copper and lead. That drop asleep to when you are asleep. You have to know that. You see flesh, you see blood, you see life, a God give life in a youth. And I behave like so no iron. You have to stop from do that. And one gun make. Stop from behave like no junk. When you take away poor people things, brother, what poor people are going to use and feed their family, how no fear take away the people them thing and I beat them up. And when the youth goes so boom now and I run forward with a machine, if you defend him mother, why you beat down on the ground with a piece of iron or then give a boy. Oh, I'm telling you, man, you're not going like so no black man too. You want to get them little dirty style from a beat on a black brother and a black brother for some boy who are slave you know. I give you
Yes, my shop boss people, my shop boss family, subscribers. You see me say, yeah man, I hate that people. Yeah man, I open in full joy. You see me say, people, yeah man. Them type of things that take place in our country right now. And see enough of where I play a blind eye. You understand me I say? Yeah man, it's time for open our eye, people. Right, and it's time for stand for our right. It's my say, I know our rights in our one country. It's my say, big up people, subscribe people. And please people, touch up the thumb button man, touch it up man, subscribe the man. Come on people man, subscribe man people and touch up the like button people. Yeah man, big up yourself people, have a beautiful day people. Yeah man, Shop Boss TV, production people, loving the people and show love to each other people. Yeah man, show love to your brother, your sisters man, anyone who go in the world people. Yeah man, big up.